Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is update life on the farm. So we have some new little baby chicken. Guys, check that out. The hen only set on 2 eggs because she only laid 2 eggs. So she set on her 2 eggs, and that's why there was only 2 baby chicken. So next time we're gonna try to see if she will lay more eggs or the other hens will lay eggs. So let's see about that. The roosters are very noisy this morning. There's something about the place making noise. And that's a rooster. 2 of them making noise. So there they are. And guys, there's one of the hen in the 3. There she is. And a rooster in the tree. You see that, guys? There are 2 roosters and 1 hen in the tree. The ones to live in the tree. So no, there was 2 hens and 1 rooster in the tree. So that's one of the hen still in the tree. And the roosters are the noisy ones this morning. There they are. And guys, the turkeys are getting dressed for the day. That's how the turkeys get dressed. So if the rain falls, their feather is well groomed and oily, so they won't soak through. I guess that's the purpose of them getting dressed for the day. And you might be wondering why there's only a small amount of chickens or foals or whatever you call it. Guys, not every one of them get out of the coop, because we have a coop that they sleep in at night. So some days they are inside the coops and some days they are outside. So the rest of the chickens, the roosters, the hens, they are inside the coop. A few gather here. That's one of the rooster coming up the stairs. What is he coming for, huh? And guys, my little flowers are getting nice. I'm so proud of them. They're looking nice. It's not blooming season as yet, so they're not ready to bloom. And the rooster coming all the way up, like I have something up here to give him. Huh? Hey, Mr. Rooster, I don't want you up here. You're gonna leave your mess behind. So I don't need your mess up here. Yeah, I don't want you up here. You heard me. Oh guys, and we have goats as well. Quite a few, not plenty, but good amount. Yes, rooster, go. Don't want you up here. Guys, you heard that? He said, I don't really care. OMG. Look at him. Oh my goodness. This rooster though. Yes, I'm talking about you. What are you doing on the staircase? Huh? What are you doing on the staircase? Answer me if you think you can. What are you doing on the staircase? Guys, this rooster mean business. Oh my goodness. And the turkeys, they're doing their thing. The rooster is getting ready for the day as well. I guess they are all waiting for the sun to come up, because that's the best part. Yes, the sun is rising. It's a little chilly. We're in the country area, so once you have a rainy day, like the rainfall the day before, in the morning it's always cold and chilly, and the animals always wait for the sun to come up, and this is how they hang out. The roosters agree, and this is how they hang out around the yard before they go out in the bushes, because they want to groom for the day and get warmed up in the sun. And that's one of the hen. So that's the sun peeking up over the mountain. It does not hit the ground as yet. It's gonna take a little while before it hits the ground. So they're hanging around the yard to do their thing. The goats are like this. Once they hear their voice, they make a lot of noise because they're saying, I'm ready to eat. It's morning now, come and feed us. So that's the reason for the goat making a lot of noise. That's another rooster. He's pretty cute. I like his color. And this is how the hen and the rooster live. They're a team. That's it. That's life on the farm, guys. And that's one more rooster down below, trying to get the female. Oh Lord, they're amazing. That's life on the farm, guys. Life on the farm. Also, guys, on the farm, this is how the animals live. The turkey and the dog, this is how they live. He doesn't rush them. He doesn't try to bite them. He just chill and let them do their thing. And yeah, there's peace. If there's peace in the family, there's peace on the farm, and there is peace with the animals. So you heard it for yourself. The rooster agree. The dogs is peaceful with them, and they are peaceful with the dogs. Bye, rooster. So guys, that's it for the morning. And guys, last but not least, my cat Betsy. Now Betsy don't want to sleep inside, so he could lay on and sleep. That's where he sleep all night, and he looks comfortable. So I'm gonna surprise him with a cat tree where he can sleep in. So I'm gonna see if I found that and give it to him as a gift, since he doesn't want to sleep on the inside and he wants to be on the outside. So that's what I will be surprising him with. When he gets it, I will share it with you guys.